Assalamu alaikum everyone. Thanks for joining us today. We are excited to show you a MovieFlix simple, fun and helpful website for finding the best movies to watch. No more endless scrolling, just easy movie discovery. This movie website will show you a smart discovery, genre filtering and responsive design. Our team members are Muhammad Shakir, Muhammad Abubakar and Urwa Shoukat. Muhammad Shakir work is Backend developer, Muhammad Abubakar work is Frontend developer and Urwa Shoukat work is Frontend developer. The Backend is developed in Python Flask. Abubakar has done its Frontend in HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Urwa Shoukat also. Our project view is revolutionizing movie discovery with an intelligent solution and seamless user experience. What is the smart discovery in the project view? Smart discovery is a take less common movie discovery challenges with the intelligent genres filtering and advanced search capabilities. You can also search genre filtering, quick search, modern interference. Our website will provide you a modern interference, clean, modern, fully responsive, designed for the effortless browsing and superior user experience. Our website will also provide you a cross-platform build to deliver seamless experience across all devices and screens size with the adaptive layout. It's mean our website is 100% responsive, smart filtering, modern interface, and it can also work on all the devices. So what was the project objectives? Why we create this project? Our strategic goals was creating the ultimate movie discovery platform where all the user can find their movies in an easy and attractive way. So user-centric, engaging, interactive and browsing, design and engaging and user-centric movies. User can also find a movie related to its taste. Our website filters smart movie and show his a movie related to his. It means our website is fully excellence, performance, readability and user love. What are the key features of our website? Our website has many key features like the movie charts, searching feature, genre page and responsive UI. A movie chart show you a movie with a movie data. The data is a real. Our smart search filter will show you a movie when you search a movie genre page. Our genre page will show you a movies related to the genres. Our UI related to the home page and the genre pages is responsive. Our website provides you a premium experience, lightning fast and reliable. What the technologies we used in our website to make this more pure, perfect and clean. First we use Frontend to make the idea of our website. We use HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, Tailwind CSS. And then we use our backend. The backend was built in the Python and Flask. Then we use developer tools that makes the website more clean and attractive and make sure that our website will work on all the website. It's mean the data will come through the backend when the front end requires the data. Our website will also provide you a high performance, scalable and architecture team collaboration. Homepage design. What was the design of the homepage? Our homepage will show you a section of top rated movies, genre movies and a search movies. Our website homepage will show you a background video that play in all the pages that looks most beautiful. Our page will show you 5 more pages that are action, sci-fi, drama, horror and thriller. Our page also show you a review page. The review page are the user review, and our page will also show you a analytics page. Our analytics page will show you the data about the movies related to the current year. What was the technologies used in the home page? UI and UX is used 98%, HTML CSS used 96%, JavaScript is used 94%. This home page will provide you a seamless experience, smoothless experience, and will provide a navigation bar. Now we discuss our backend functionality. The backend functionality was built by Shakir. The backend functionality ensures that the data will pass by the backend. Every data passed to the front end will come through the backend. The data passed by the backend is a static data. Flask architecture shows your request layer, routing engine, template engine, and API integration. The backend functionality will provide you 98% accuracy and more. What was our genre pages? Our genre pages was very beautiful, clear, and attractive. Every genre pages show you the movie of 10, and this filter the movies from this that are 5 movies. This page also show you a background that is attractive, clear, and clean. Now I say to you thank you for listening my video, and I will show you a demo of my website. Thank you so much.